In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import data in ClickUp. So if you want to import data in form of documents or even from apps, it is pretty much simple. Let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your ClickUp account. And once you are here, head over to your workspace on top here and click on it. And from this, go ahead and click on settings. Now from settings, head over to this sidebar and look for import stroke export. Now here you can see we have the import option and you can go ahead and import data from spreadsheet. You can import documents as well as you can import from apps. So if you want to import from apps, go ahead and choose the apps you want to import from. If it is a spreadsheet, you can also do the same. However, if you want to import in form of a document that is on your computer, just go ahead and click on document and you can now drag and drop the document here. So I'll go to my computer and then drag the document you wish to import and drop it here, and it will be uploaded in your ClickUp. Now you can see this has been imported. Now you can go back or you can click on import to see the list of all the imports that you have. So currently you can see this is in progress and it is now complete. If you want to view it, just go ahead and click on view here, and here you'll see all the documents that you have imported. So that's how you can import data or documents in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.